Hello everybody. Today we are going to take a look at how we can create an XML schema and use that as part of our B2B setup. So for that we go into the B2B schema section, and here in the create option we see a new entry called custom. So when we click on custom, we are asked to choose a schema, an XSD. So I have a simple XSD here. You can click open, and it loads up the root element within that XSD. You can select that, fill all the required information, and click create to create the XML schema. Now this of course is a simple XSD, but what if we have a complex XSD with a base XSD which points to multiple different sub XSDs? We support that as well. So we need to add all those XSDs into a zip file like we see here and import that. Now we can see all the root elements from different XSDs shown here. We now have to choose the base XSD's root element. So let's say I call this transit. This is document version 1, and this is a transit document. We click create. So here it shows all the information that you just keyed in. Confirm this is the root element, and we go ahead and get out of this. Now that our schema is created, we go ahead and create the document. Similar to the schema, we choose custom. We give a document version and a document type. In here, we can see it's a custom document standard, and we here can choose the XML schema that we just created. We can add the business identifiers, any unique identifier from the XSD, which can provide that. You can see it confirms that this is an XML document type, and this is the place where we provide a XPath expression, which will help us match the incoming XML document to this particular XML document and schema. For example, like this. So what this does is it looks for FDG inbound element within the XML payload that has been received, and if it is found, it then matches it with this document. So that's how the document identification happens. We also have the option of identifying the document through a value. If that is the way we want to do it, we can just add text and then give a value, something, let's say begin. So what happens in this case is it tries to look for this element and the value within that element, and if it matches this text, then it associates it with this document. So that's how we set this document up. We go ahead and click save, and now we are ready to use this as part of our trading partner setup.